Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get either passes or Robux from playing Dress to Impress. So go to the Dress to Impress Discord server and you're just going to go to the giveaways one. As you can see, they have a lot of giveaways where you can join. Sometimes you'll need to do something like submit photos or like submit Dress to Impress photos. And for instance, this one you'll need to claim it, so you'll have to have a Discord for it, and they will give you the passes here. So yeah, it's just a way to get passes or even free Robux. Sometimes they do that. Sometimes they give out drawings, but there are a lot of like giveaways you can do. Here, as you can see, the giveaway will be 1 monthly VIP pass. You'll need a minimum of 250 message requirements. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can get passes and free Robux on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.